Samsung is gearing up to unveil its highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series in mid-January, putting an end to months of speculation and leaks. This lineup, which includes the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the top-tier S24 Ultra, is generating a lot of excitement. Interestingly, the S24 Ultra might not feature satellite connectivity, which sets it apart from its competitor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Instead, the S24 Ultra is expected to come with a sturdy titanium frame, potentially rivaling the build quality of the iPhone 15 Pro series. It's likely to feature a flat display, a powerful chipset, and an upgraded 50-megapixels 5x telephoto camera. Color choices may include titanium black, gray, violet, and yellow. The Ultra model is also anticipated to sport a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The camera setup is impressive, boasting a 200-megapixels main sensor and enhanced connectivity like Wi-Fi 7 and ultra-wideband (UWB). What are your thoughts on these upcoming Samsung flagships? Feel free to share in the comments. Cell phone glowing star speech balloon.